What if I told you one man's sneeze changed the course of history? In 1919, world leaders gathered in Paris to sign the treaty ending World War I. U.S. President Woodrow Wilson had big plans, his League of Nations, to prevent future wars. But then disaster struck. Wilson caught the Spanish flu, fever, coughing, exhaustion. He was too weak to fight for his vision. While he lay sick, the French and British pushed through harsher punishments on Germany. The treaty humiliated Germany, fueling anger, poverty, and eventually paving the way for Hitler in World War II. So yes, a single sneeze might have set the stage for the deadliest war in history. Follow for more mind-blowing history stories.